Hey guys, so I'm in the process of detangling my, not detangling my hair. I've already detangled my hair. I'm in the process of trimming my hair and twisting my hair. So I already did half of my head if I move this piece of hair. So I already did half of my head. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to finish off the rest of my hair so I can go to bed. So basically what I do is I already told you guys, I already tangled it. So what I do is I part it again in an even amount so the trim can be as much accurate as possible. Maybe I should just use a comb instead of my finger, you know, that would probably be easier. And I put the rest away so I don't accidentally cut off half of my head. And I just detangled this part again because sometimes I'm not the best detangler in the world. Okay, this part is kind of almost like butter. We're getting there. Okay, so I'm not really putting any like curl definition product in there. I'm really just putting in some moisturizer and some conditioning cream in my head because I plan on wearing my hair down later on this week. You can do that if you want to. I've seen people do it in videos, but this is just me and this is my video, so this is how we're doing it. So I just rub that all in my head, rub it in my roots, make sure my scalp is moisturized. And you want it as defined as possible so you can know where to cut at. Because if it's dry, you just cutting hair. You're not trimming the part that needs to be trimmed, and that defeats the whole purpose of this video and the whole purpose of trimming hair. That's just you being a little scissor happy and not following directions. So then I take this part, let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. So it's defined, you see how this part's clumped up. So then I basically part it with my finger, and I want these a little smaller in the front, like a medium twist. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to 2-strand twist it. Actually, I need a little more here. So what I'm doing is I'm 2-strand twisting it. Okay, and then when you get to the end, you can kind of feel where it needs to be trimmed. Like I take my finger and like it's super thick, and then it gets super thin at the bottom. But then I raise it up to the light because I'm kind of blind, and you can see where it needs to be trimmed at. Like right here where it starts to unravel. And it's not that I just didn't finish a twist. It's just it's getting super thin compared to, because there's like, it's super thick and then it's like gets super thin in the middle and then it continues to twist. So I'm not going to cut all of it because I've been basically for the rest of my head, I've been doing half of it. So I'm going to stop, probably cut it right here. So I'm not cutting off that much. Just so when I press out my hair, I'm not looking like a Christmas tree with a bunch of different layers. And I'll most likely get an accurate trim when I finally press out my hair. Don't know when that will be because I don't like pressing out my hair. So once again, you twist your hair. Well, because I already basically did the demi brush for this whole section. So I'm just going to twist my hair. raise it to the light to see where I'm at. And this one, it's the same thing, sort of. Well, it's not as unraveling as bad, but you see right here how it's splitting off. So I'm just gonna do half of that again. Get that off my finger. And then take this last section, twist it once again. Look into the light. And this part right here is going crazy. I'm gonna trim half of it. Dust that part off. And this, I got it all over my face. Gross. So this little area is done. And we're just gonna work till we're finished. I'm almost done. And then I can go to bed. And then I don't know if I'm gonna untwist this in the morning. It really depends on what time I wake up, because I don't have a class till 11 o'clock. But then I won't have another class till night. But then when I get out of my night class, I'm not gonna wanna do my hair. So most likely I'm gonna keep these twists in until Tuesday. Because I don't have a class I don't have classes on Tuesday, and I'll take it down and I'll show you guys. So I probably won't upload this video. Well, you guys won't know. This video won't be uploaded till Wednesday, so you guys can see the final results, what my hair looks like untwisted, and to see how healthy the curls are compared to earlier. So my wash and goes are going to be very nice looking in the summertime, because I did a wash and go, I think a week ago, and that's when I figured, I was like, yeah, I need to trim my hair, because it was all types of, it was sticking out straight. I'm all finished, guys. Just need to add some oil. You guys don't have to do that. I just do that because my hair gets super dry at night. I don't know. It just sucks. Once I put product in it, it just sucks it all up. So. Thank you for watching my video. and I will let you guys see my curls on Wednesday when I take down my twist. I think it looks way better because I had my hair in twists last week. It looks way better. I'll insert a picture of how they were looking when I had them in. But then again, it was from me. It's a picture, I think I was working out. So these are what my twists are looking like since after I trimmed it. And this is how much hair I cut off. So it's not that bad. I thought there was going to be more hair, but I don't know. It looks like a little hairball. Gross. Looks like a little hairball. But to be honest, I'm glad I did it because my hair was shedding, so it needed to be cut. I mean, it needed to be trimmed bad, but I'm in Evansville. I don't know any stylists that can do my hair. I did have a friend that could do hair, but she stopped going to school here, so I have nobody to trim my hair. So I needed to trim my hair. I couldn't wait till the next time I go home. So this is what it's looking like, and I'll let you guys know what it looks like once I take it down. Hey guys, so I took down my twist and I picked it out. I guess I should have showed you guys what it was looking like right when I took the twist out, but my head was so flat and I was like, ugh, this looks so weird. But this is what the twists look very healthy compared to what they were looking like. If you just look at the ends of these, I'm very proud of myself. Like, look at this. It's an actual curl. They're not just straight. If you really look at them. So basically, yeah, I trimmed my hair by myself for the first time. It came out pretty good. Yeah, I was just like, needs a trim. Let me look up some YouTube videos. Let me do my research, and this is what I came out to be. My hair is a little shorter. Even when I wore my twist, I pinned it up and put a hat on because I was like, oh no, I am not about to walk around my campus with my hair this short. I was like, I don't know about this. So my fro is a little smaller than usual. So I'm kind of like, I'm like, what is my day 3 hair gonna look like? Hopefully it's still big, but I like it. It's healthy. That's all that matters. Thanks for watching, you guys.